Okay, so if you're waiting for that three-part ratio video, here it is. Let's take a look at an example problem. At the local grocery, the ratio of apples to bananas is 3 to 8. The ratio of bananas to cantaloupes is 6 to 1. If the store has 27 apples, how many cantaloupes does it have? Okay, now we can't solve this directly because we don't have a ratio that links apples to cantaloupes, unfortunately. But we do have a ratio that links, oh, I don't want blue, yellow. Okay, we do have a ratio that links apples to bananas. Okay, and that ratio is 3 to 8. And what that means is for every 3 apples the store carries, it carries 8 bananas. Okay, so for every 3 apples the store has, it has 8 bananas. And we have this other ratio over here, the ratio of bananas to cantaloupes. And that ratio is 6 to 1. And that means the store has 6 times as many bananas as it does cantaloupes. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to link these together so that I have a 3-part ratio, apples to bananas to cantaloupes. That's what we're looking for. Okay, and the way we're going to do that is you can see in these 2 ratios, the common term, or what I call the linking term, is going to be B, the number of bananas. And what we're going to do is we're going to create equivalent ratios by multiplying so that we have this B term the same right here and right here. I want the same number right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the least common multiple of 8 and 6, which is 24. And that's the number that I want right here and here. Okay, now let's go ahead and see. I multiplied 8 by 3 to get 24, so I need to multiply this 3 by 3, and I get 9 to 24. Okay, now that means for every 9 apples, there are 24 bananas, and over on this side, I multiplied by 4. And if I have 24 bananas, I have 1 times 4 is 4 cantaloupes. Okay, so everything is still true. These ratios are still true, but now I have a relationship between all 3. And this says that for every 9 apples I have 24 bananas. And this over here says for every 24 bananas I have, there are 4 cantaloupes. So the 3-part ratio is 9 to 24 to 4. Okay, now most of the questions on your homework only ask you to go this far, to find the 3-part ratio. The next step is to take this information. The store has 27 apples. How many cantaloupes does it have? Well, I'm going to use this ratio here to solve that. So I'm going to say if the store had 27 apples, I had to multiply 9 by 3 to get this, so I have to multiply the cantaloupes, which is 4 by 3, and I get 12. So if the store has 27 apples, it's going to have 12 cantaloupes. All right, and I got that by multiplying by 3. And it would have 72 bananas as well. Okay, so the key to solving this problem was first setting up my ratios over here, finding the linking term, and making sure that I have the least common multiple in the linking terms column. And everything else kind of falls into place from there. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.